In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on eBay. Whether you're an experienced seller or someone who is just venturing into the world of digital goods, you'll find this guide helpful as you navigate through the process. We'll make sure you have all the information you need to get your digital products in front of the right buyers. To get started, first, you'll need to log into your eBay account. This step is quite straightforward. Simply head over to the eBay homepage and use your credentials to access your account. If you've set up two-factor authentication, remember to have your phone or email ready to verify your identity. Once you've successfully logged in, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, look for the Sell button, which is usually located at the top of the homepage. Click on it, and you will be directed to a menu where you need to select the appropriate category for your digital products. Choosing the right category is crucial because it ensures your items are displayed to interested buyers who are specifically searching for digital goods. Be as precise as possible to maximize your visibility. Once you've selected the right category, it's time to think about how you will present your digital files. If you're selling downloadable products, you'll need to upload them directly to eBay. Ensure these files are neatly organized and correctly named, making it easy for buyers to access them once they've made a purchase. Alternatively, if your products require the buyers to access an external link or platform, provide clear step-by-step instructions for them to follow. Clarity is your best friend here, as you want to make the experience as seamless as possible for your customers. This will not only satisfy them, but also increase your chances of receiving positive feedback. Now, let's discuss pricing and product description. Setting a competitive price involves researching similar products on eBay, so you have a sound understanding of what your potential customers are willing to pay. Price is a significant factor in purchase decisions, so consider offering introductory discounts or bundles if applicable. Alongside pricing, crafting a detailed and engaging product description is essential. Highlight key features, benefits of your product, and any unique selling points that set you apart from others. Good photos, even for digital products, can make a difference in attracting buyers. So if it's relevant, consider creating appealing graphics or screenshots to include in your listing to give it a professional touch. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set yourself up to successfully sell digital products on eBay. Remember, the key lies in accuracy and clarity, both in your listings and communication with buyers. Good luck.